Some mothers love their sons so much that it becomes an obsession, especially when their son meets the love of their life and marries her. And that's not all. She refuses to let go of him and makes life difficult for her daughter-in-law. The flip side to this complicated situation is the mother who adores her son-in-law to a fault and prevents her daughter from carrying out her duties as wife. The stories are endless of the meddlesome mother-in-law. As Satideh Mawnin Runnings, come, make we talk.